Hey, so you're looking for a way to generate more leads and get more leads for your company. Maybe you're building MLM and you're looking for, ways to get more traffic, ways to actually, get more people to see, what you have to offer in your network marketing or affiliate marketing company. Well, you came to the right place, and I'm going to show you the three main things that you actually need in order to build and grow your business and scale it to a large, level. Is basically you need to be building an audience, right? And if you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gionta. I was $87,000 in debt a couple years ago. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was stressed. I was depressed. I felt like, I was losing everything. And, I pretty much hit rock bottom. And the reason why I came online is because I tried a bunch of offline methods. It just didn't work. They didn't do anything for me when I tried to go out and just talk to random people like I was told to do. I was told to expose as many people as I could. But the problem was those people weren't targeted. They weren't specific to my target market, and target market is very important. You have to know who you're targeting, and you have to make sure that they actually have interest in what you have to offer. You can't sell beef to a vegetarian. So, I was exposed to a method by some of my mentors that changed the way that I did business and enabled me to, start getting results. And three of the main things that I started to use in my business was I needed to bring it online. I needed to have people come online and actually retain an email list. And I didn't know how to build an email list. And the thing that you actually need to build an email list is actually a database that stores the email. So, basically it's a funnel builder tool that allows you to do that, right? So I learned about a funnel builder and how I could, capture leads. They come to a capture page, which tells them a little bit about what you're doing. And then they put in an email for more information. So it might be like, discover the 5 ways to generate more leads, or discover the 5 ways to build your business online without having to talk to people, right? It could be something like that. They put in their email, and then it takes them to a sales page. When it takes them to a sales page, they see a video like the video on this page you're seeing right in front of me, right? And they have the option to actually buy and click on the button below the video. If they don't buy, they're still on your email list. When they're on your email list, you could give them a series of follow-up emails that actually tell them about your product, service, or whatever you're offering, and build a rapport with them. So you actually build a rapport with your audience, right? So that's what this does right here. This has the funnel builder. That's your first element. And so in here, they're going to show you how to actually get started, and then tap into the community so you have support. And then, I like this because it actually has the three steps to build any business. And then we come down here, and it sets up your autoresponder and your domain. Your domain is branded to you because you're going to be the marketer. You're going to be the professional, right? So your domain's branded to you. Then it has your autoresponder, which is going to follow up with your contacts. And then it teaches you all about how to use a funnel builder, right? It teaches you about creating your pages, optimizing for mobile, how to put tracking pixels on there so you know your stats, how to do exit pops, which is if somebody tries to exit the page, it tells them no, wait, stay on, there's something else, right? It tells you how to actually track your leads, which is important, how to create your own products as a marketer and business owner, which is really important, how to do, upsells and downsells. The upsell is when they buy something within the funnel and you offer them something else. A downsell is whenever they don't buy and you still give them something of value for a lesser price. They still might buy that. So that's a downsell, right? And then there's a membership site. You can learn how to build a membership site if you want to do that as a marketer. And so you could sell your own products on your own, membership site, which is really cool. And then, how to replicate your pages for your team, how to create a booking widget, widget for your appointments. It's very important as a marketer. You got to set up appointments. How to create, graphics, how to create survey pages to find out people's interest. And then you're also going to learn how to split test to see which pages are converting the best with your traffic. So you're going to know your opt-in rate, who puts their email in, that's the opt-in rate. And then you're also going to know how to create your own, website and do all that. And it's really an amazing tool. This tool is only $25 a month. You get a $20 commission monthly from it, which is really amazing. It's 80% commission. And I wanted more than just, $20 a month. I wanted to learn about traffic and I wanted to earn more, right? So, I upgraded to, traffic and conversions. That gives you $100 extra. And what you're going to learn is you're going to learn all about traffic. So before you learn about traffic, you're going to learn about the steps to freedom. You're going to learn about how to store your passwords so you don't get scatterbrained. You're going to learn about the big picture. You're going to learn about your target market, which was what I was saying before. And then you're going to learn about how to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give away in exchange for email. So it might be an ebook. It might be something of value that you have. You give that away in exchange for email and get somebody's contact information. That's called a lead magnet, right? And that's what you learn how to do in here. And then for the free methods of advertising, you're going to actually learn different things like how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to follow up with people, how to get, leads on Facebook, blogging. You're going to learn that. You're going to learn how to rank your videos on YouTube, which is why you see my videos at the top of the search engines. You're going to learn how to podcast. If you want to do podcasting, which is like a radio show, you're also going to learn how to actually use LinkedIn, how to use Facebook ads. You're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives, and then you're going to learn how to do a 5-day, launch challenge, which is basically, launching your product, service, or whatever you have in a presentation, having people get on, and then at the end of the presentation is when you sell something. You're going to learn that formula to be able to sell on a presentation, which is really cool because the presentation might only be an hour and a half, and whatever your product is, and you make a certain amount of sales from that by giving value up front and selling on the back. You're going to learn how to do that, right? And then for the paid traffic method, you're going to learn about solo ads, you're going to learn about Facebook ads and Facebook video ads. And then for conversions, you're going to know how to close your leads. You're going to learn the secrets of conversion, and you're going to learn how to onboard your people the right way when they come on board on your team. You're going to learn exactly how to do that in the right way. And then if you want to get, coaching further, there's the weekly, masterminds Monday night, which teach you about, marketing. Everybody gets on there and actually speaks, and they get their questions answered. There's over 70 some people on the mastermind, and I've actually been on there to give tips and everything like that of how I was able to get results. I've been on there speaking. So that's on Monday nights, and then they have a daily, Grow Rich mastermind call, which works on mindset at 9 a.m. And then you also have a Take Action Mastermind, which is actually at 11 a.m., which they go over the shoulder and show you exactly what they're doing in their business to, get results, and you see firsthand live. So that's really amazing because not too many people do that. Not too many people go behind the scenes and show you what they're doing in their business. You're also going to learn, some extra, bonus stuff and bonus training. And then you're also going to have done for you funnels, which is really important so you could get up and going immediately. You don't have to wait for anything. You could just, plug into these funnels and start getting results. And so when you start making money, you start getting leads. You have your funnel builder set up. You're getting leads and making money. You're going to need to know how to manage your finances. So what happens is, you actually learn about how to eliminate your debt and, actually about your finances. And then you're going to want to know how to file less in taxes. So right here, they show you exactly what to do to file less in taxes, how to keep your books the right way. And then you're going to want to know about how to, market and how to do side things that actually investments for your money, so that way you get less taken in taxes. So you're going to learn about property management, how to have assets, right, and invest in your assets, so that way you're not, giving up all the way in taxes, which is really important as a business owner, right? So those are the things you're going to want to learn. This gives you a $400 commission for anybody who signs up and comes on board. So if you come all in, and this is only a one-time buy for this course, and you get $400 commissions, right? And that's how it works. And so if you come all on board with me, all in, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you to get at least 1,000 people a month to see your opportunity, and you're going to actually know how to do that. You're going to actually be able to use that as an incentive to get people to come and join you on board with you. 1,000 leads per month is a good amount of people to start seeing results, and you're going to be able to actually help people to be able to get traffic as well. So that's what you get for an incentive for signing up with me and getting started with me today. So, make sure you click on the link below this video, and, I'll talk to you soon.